Hi everyone, this is Varnika from CodeDrills and today I'm gonna give a demo how to create an assessment with CodeDrills in less than 2 minutes. So after logging in with your email ID, you will get a screen like this, and by clicking on the CTA button, you can create an assessment. So we'll ask the basic details about the assessment, like assessment name. Say I want a Java expert with the job role senior software developer, and according to your company's need, you can update the description of the assessment. And next, if we are hiring in Java expert, I'll put Java intermediate coding and advanced coding. And if you want like more than preview, you can go in the details and you will get the summary description of the test, how much test will take time and the level of the test. And you can also preview our questions made by the like industry experts. And after adding the questions and skills, I can click on the next button. We are having the anti-cheating settings, which are like disallowing external copy paste, making full screen, and like changing tab events. You can also enable a test link and set the minimum test score. Say I set the minimum score for like 20, and I can like have a deadline for the test, say for 2 days and 5 hours. And you can customize your test accordingly, that you want a like start date with 5 February and ending on the same date. So next, and now I can preview the test, which is like Java expert, and whichever skills I have added in the test, and like what the anti-cheating settings I enabled. After finishing, it will take few seconds and your test will be generated. And through that, you can invite your candidates by putting their email IDs, or if like you want to like upload in bulk, you can upload the CSV file. And like after uploading, you can just like can send the emails through like to the candidates, or you can copy paste the URL and you can directly like send them the test. So that's it. We created an assessment with CodeDrills in less than 2 minutes. I hope it finds like you will. Thank you.